everybody. Hi, everybody. Anybody? um, Jill here, and I'm. Hi. Welcome to the live video casting about the Pin Inspector. I'm sorry about the earlier event. I missed the fact that it said it was going to start at 8 o'clock this morning, which was when I set it up. Fully expecting to come on live at 2. So, I'm having to answer questions. All right, I'm going to pop on over to the Pin Inspector and make it large. I chose this word, adult coloring books, to kind of help us get started with how to use Pin Inspector effectively. So I put it in there and I push the generate button, and these are the results I've got. With Pin Inspector, you can change the ranking. So these are the number 8, and then you hit it again and it'll give you number 1. And so it kind of gives you an idea of what, and you can move these little columns around to help you be able to see better, but it kind of gives you an idea of what the highest ranking keywords for adult coloring books is. In this case, we're just going to look at adult coloring books. What I'd like to do is go over to a window, an incognito window, and I use Explorer for this because I don't use Explorer for anything else. And go to that little link that I put in the comment section underneath this video. It's pinterest.com/ideas. And then we're going to put in a search term. We don't want to have we don't want to be logged in. So just ignore this and ignore all the prompts they're going to give you. We're going to type in here adult coloring. We'll do pages because pages is more, they're Pinterest is giving us that as a choice. So these are, as you look down the page here, you can see that there are other keywords that you probably want to write down to take advantage of. So we're going to click on that. The thing that I really want to show you is, hopefully, yes, this up here. These are the categories. This is how this pin is categorized on Pinterest. So it can kind of give you an idea of where and how to formulate your boards. Like you might have a board that says art pipe, which is the up and down line over the forward slash above the enter key on most computer screens. And then you'd put drawings, and then you'd put another pipe, and then you'd do flower drawings. That might be the name of your board. And then you'd have coloring book pages that were about flowers. You can also, I know that there's different places they put these. Let's just do this one randomly. And we have to keep telling it, no, we don't want to log in. So you see how this one is DIY and crafts, DIY projects, adult coloring pages. That might also be a board that you would have on your Pinterest account that would have adult coloring pages in them. If you have adult coloring pages that have flowers, you could put it in the art flowers board. Hopefully this is making sense as we trip along here, but this is just a really good way to understand how Pinterest is categorizing our pins in their overall search engine functions. So let's go back to Pin Inspector, And then we're going to look at trends. This is, and I already put this one in to have it look for trends also. With this trends section, you can organize it by, if we close this up a little bit, we can get this other column here, trending spikes. And see how book tattoo ideas is trending up? Same with book tattoo. Coloring pages is kind of trending more down, but the average search for this is 71, which in my book is worth shooting for. Coloring pages for adults is 76. It's the total average. It's trending down a little bit right now, but overall it's an upward trend. Adult coloring is trending down, and you can sort this by averages. The 6-month average, let's do that again so we can find. Hold on, let's see what we got going on here. I don't understand what. Oh, adult coloring is what we got there. So coloring pages for adults, again, pretty high. So I think if we look for coloring pages for adults, and then we're going to pop back over here to, sorry, keywords, keyword ideas. And I put adult coloring pages in here also. I put it in the Google search so that I could use my keyword everywhere tool. And it's trending down overall. Like 2015 was huge when everybody was buying those things. It gives you other ideas for long tail keywords. And then we're going to go over here to Google Ads. I put the link also below this video in the comment section for how to get to the Google Ads keyword ideas. So we put in adult coloring pages here, and you can see that there's 100,000 to 1 million average monthly searches, and the competition is really low. So that tells me that that's probably a good word to target, both in Google and in Pinterest. And you also have Mandala, adult coloring pages printable, free coloring pages, color by number for adults. There's just like a whole bunch of ideas. There's literally thousands of them, of things that you can target to try to get your pins found and also get found in Google. If you're doing a blog of any sort, you can use these keywords to create your posts with, and then you have the same keywords for your pin from that post. Hopefully this will be helpful to you and will make sense to you. I'm going to go over and see if I can see any questions. On the Facebook Live, if anyone has joined us, and see if I can figure out how to stop sharing this screen. I thought I had this all figured out earlier, but settings, viewer, stream. I am not. Let's try the dashboard one more time. So apparently I can either